Hi, it's your SAMSUNG Galaxy A34 and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with the Ampere app on this device. So let's first open the Play Store application, and in the search bar enter the Ampere. So now we should get this application. That's why you should tap here to install. I just before install this application, so just after that open the app, and here you will see information about the battery temperature. In my case that's 28 and 7 degrees. So also you can find here more information like the battery health, capacity, Android version, and more other information. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.